Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning. Today we're doing the door card restoration, so we got to get the door card off. First things first, there's a screw underneath this guy. Let's get a small flathead in there. Screw behind the latch here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get this guy out of here. And then you just start pulling where you feel the plastic fasteners. Just pop it up. Your tweeter connector off.
I use tweeter all the time to keep up with my favorite celebrities.
Issues that we're trying to resolve is these screws are no longer, some of them are no longer connected to the upper portion of the door card here. So we're gonna try to restore those standoffs. So as you can see there, that is completely broken free. This one is still intact. That one's still intact. This one's gone. You've got your screws off. We're gonna come in here and I think we'll probably do all of them just so that they're all kind of new. But you want to cut away the original pieces so they're out of your way. Safety first. These blades can basically explode on you. I think you want to leave a little nub so that you can rest the tube on it, and we'll fill that with epoxy. But we want to get rid of this little
Flame. You could probably cut it with a knife.
So once you've got those little bases sort of cleared away, come in and you start blending your plastic welder. It's 5-minute set time and 24-hour cure, so we want to get this going and we'll come back to it tomorrow. But basically we'll blend these epoxies together on a plate and then we'll fill these tubes, let it set, and then we'll smooth them off the top, and then we can drill fresh holes for the screws. So now we mix these. Make sure to inhale strongly, maybe not that much.
How's that working? I feel like you gotta go from like the side.
I'm getting dizzy over here. Dan's got the method over here.
Let's see. You put the lime in the coconut and then you drink it all up.
So once you get these guys filled, let them sit overnight, and we'll be back at them tomorrow. So now we've waited about 24 hours, and the epoxy is totally hardened. So now we've got to cut these to the right height. So it kind of looks like, in order for this to sit flush with this here, we got to cut these about the same height as this lip. So we'll trim those down and then drill holes for our screws, and we should be ready to roll. Archaeology. Now that we got the heights kind of where we want them, we're gonna drill out
Flashing off.
a small hole for the screws to follow, sort of a pilot hole. This one's got a freaking hole in it already. Sucks. I'm just gonna try to screw them in and see what happens. Let's just see what happens when we try to screw this puppy in.
Wow!
Now we've got a nice sturdy seam here. Hopefully it doesn't creak around as much while we're driving. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, if you got any recommendations on how to do that better. We're open to criticism. Now it's nice and locked in there. Hopefully less rattles.